So I bought my Mavic Pro about 10 months ago now, and I've made a few cinematic travel videos with it around the world. Starting off when I was travelling around Albania, but also including in France, when I was up in the Alps. A couple of videos as well just across the border into nearby Italy, which again was during the summer. And of course back home in the UK as well. Most recently I've made one in Onsen, which is where I'm living for the winter in Japan. Although the end product is only this 2 or 3 minute long video, there's actually quite a lot of work that goes into it. So I thought I'd show you guys about how I make a cinematic travel video. So, step 1. I'll charge up all 3 of the batteries, wipe the SD card, and prep all the gear I need to fly my drone. I tend to keep it all in this one handy travel case, as it fits quite well and is compact. Side note, if you're at all interested in any of the gear that you see in this video, I'll put Amazon links to all of it down in the description below, so you can go check it out there. Step 2. I'll go out to the location that I want to film in and get set up. This may be just a short walk away, or a drive, or it could be a long hike. I'll try and find somewhere away from people, power lines, and I also avoid flying when it's windy or raining. Step 3. This is when I actually fly the drone. It's kind of hard to explain what to do exactly, but for me it feels pretty similar to a video game. You've got your joysticks that you can use to move the drone forwards, backwards, left and right, spin, go up and down, and then the little dial on the back controls the camera angle on the gimbal. Some of the shots are quite simple, for example, where the drone just moves forward in a straight line, or it spins on one spot. Other times I'll be focusing on a certain object, and I'll be moving forwards while slowly turning and adjusting the camera angle all at once. This can be a lot trickier, and any disturbance to the smooth motion of the camera panning will mess up the shot. Step 4. When the batteries run out or my fingers get too cold, I'll bring the drone back into land, pack up and go home. Then I can start to import all of the files to my laptop. Generally this is between about 10 to 30 gigabytes of footage. I record almost exclusively in 4K resolution at 24 frames per second. Sometimes I can have up to 45 minutes of footage, or even more if I shoot over a few days. Other times, like in this video I shot of a waterfall in Italy, I actually recorded all of the footage inside of 8 minutes. Step 5. I'll start to drag all the clips together into the editor. I use Mavic Pro and cut out any unusable parts, which is essentially any time the camera moves or shakes. If there was a complicated shot I was trying to do, maybe I'll cut out the first 2 or 3 attempts where I messed up. At this point I'll also colour grade the footage to give it a certain look and texture depending on what style I'm trying to go with on that particular video. Step 6. Once I have a feel for what the footage looks like and how I want to try and cut it together, I'll start looking for music. I have 2 main places I look for this: Audio Library on YouTube, which is free, and Filmstro Pro, which is a subscription music service. Both of these I can really recommend for copyright-free music. I'll generally go for something pretty short, 2 to 3 minutes long. Anything longer than that can be a little bit boring to watch. I'll look out for something that has a good beat, and maybe some different segments in the track for certain types of shot. Step 7. This is where the magic happens. So I'll start to really cut down the clips so they're just a few seconds long, and get rid of any that are similar or don't add much value. I'll often sync up the clips with the music to really engage viewers and keep them interested in watching, although this is something you don't want to do all the time, as it makes it too predictable. At this point I'll also put in some transitions between the clips to make things flow a little bit smoother, and I'll add certain effects like zooms or blurs to different shots. I'll keep tweaking bits and maybe render segments of the video just to see how the finished product looks. Then once I'm happy with it, I'll upload it, and it goes live on this channel for everyone to see. So yeah, each one will be minimum 8 hours work between the travel to the location, the filming, and then all the editing. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me, and leave me a comment on what you would like to see. Sorry for the delay in the videos lately. I've been quite busy and a little bit ill. It took me quite a while just to get this voiceover done because my nose has been completely blocked up. Anyway, yeah, have a good one and catch you guys next time.